Show y'all all my fidgets. Okay. So I got this one, and I'm gonna show you guys the shape that I like to make in just a second. So you hold on. Tart. And then next is this dinosaur rainbow puppet. It's like a puppet, just a dinosaur puppet. And then the next one, we obviously got the classic unicorn puppet. All these puppets are like normal. Yeah. One is a classic large puppet. So, got these both things. And then the classic fidget spinner. These, the Hello Kitty puppet. This baby unicorn puppet. Stitch puppet, which I love so much. Shape. Then we got the classic Among Us character. And these